Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Bel Aire, local and long-distance movers near me. Any distance up to 50 miles is a long-distance move. Movements within a particular state are interstate relocation. At any time, any journey that entails crossing state borders is interstate migration. Wherever your relocation distance is, 3 Movers can comfortably move your property to your chosen destination. One perk you enjoy when utilizing our services is our good relationship with the local and federal authorities responsible for relocation processes. Also, we value the property and belongings of our clients, so we offer protection for them. We have insurance policies that cover probable risks in transporting your belongings. Unlike the cost of long-distance movements, our rates of local activities are very affordable, between $30 and $40 per hour. Urban areas can be very busy, so it takes experienced drivers to navigate the hustle and bustle during relocation. Our drivers and movers know the layout of the road networks and get the destination on time. Our client support lines are always available to meet your relocation needs. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Bel Aire moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial, international, furniture, residential, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.